Install safety light curtain and power supply. Install safety light curtain connectors. After inserting it, the nut needs to be tightened. The installation method on the right side is the same as on the left side. Let's proceed with the installation of the pneumatic connector. Select the 10 mm air hose. After tightening with a wrench, press directly. After installation, pull it to check if it is secure. Check if the air pressure is normal. Adjustment knob. Adjust the air pressure to 0.6. Now install the power plug by sequentially removing these 4 screws. After disassembling, pass the power cord through this opening. Connect the live wire to port 1. After insertion, tighten the screw. Insert the neutral wire into port 4. Insert the pay ground wire into port 5. Check if the handle is securely fastened. Use 3x1.5 flat wires. After installation is completed, tighten the 4 screws. After tightening the 4 screws, secure this area and then tighten it further. Insert here and secure the buckle. After the power supply is installed, check whether the circuit breakers have tripped and ensure both of them are in the tripped position. Turn on the main power switch. Check if the voltage is 220 volts. The multimeter reads 220 volts. The multimeter reads 220 volts. The voltage is fine. Then pull the circuit breaker up.